How to change Zoom ringtones. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Zoom ringtones easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Zoom. This is the home page as you can see. Now you need to go down to more option. After you click on more, now you will have here many options. You need to choose the general option. After you click on general, you will find the ringtones option right here. Click on it and choose the one that you want here. After you finish, just go out and everything will be updated. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.